Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you why you can post your story on Instagram. So let's begin. Let's open Instagram and let's check if you can post on story. So here we can see add post to your story, so it works. This one also works. But here we can see that there is no option of add post to your story. So it is because this is a ad, and the thing with ad is that we can post that to our story in Instagram. So if you are trying to post ad in your Instagram, it won't work. But if you try other videos, we can post in our story. So the one thing is that, and if you can't post story on Instagram, then what we can do is first we should check if our Instagram is updated or not. So let's check. As you can see, my Instagram app is fully updated, so if you haven't updated, please update. So it may work if you have updated your Instagram app to your latest version. If this still not works, then what we can do is open app info, then we can click on clear data and clear cache. So I hope it works. So even now if it does not work, what we can do is click on app permissions, and we can give contact permission and phone permission. Another option is that we click on Instagram and we click on our profile, and we can go to setting, and in the privacy, if our account is private, then we should disable our private account and make it public so that others can also see our account. And in this process it may work, and you may post story on Instagram. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you have other queries you can comment down below. Please share, subscribe and like the video. Have a good day. Thank you.